Are you thinking about leaving Facebook for good? Maybe you're worried about privacy, want to spend less time online, or simply don't use the platform anymore. Whatever your reason, today I'll guide you step by step on how to permanently delete your Facebook account, and also explain what happens after you do it. Let's start with the basics. Deleting your Facebook account is different from deactivating it. When you deactivate, your account is hidden, but you can come back anytime. When you delete, it's gone forever. Your photos, messages, and data will be permanently removed after a short grace period. So make sure you're absolutely certain before taking this step. Now, before you delete, there are a few important things you should do. First, download a copy of your information. This includes your photos, videos, posts, and even messages. To do this, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. From there, click on your Facebook information and then select Download Your Information. You can choose the data you want, and Facebook will prepare a file for you to save. Second, make sure you've logged out or disconnected any apps or services linked to your Facebook. Many websites use Facebook to log in, so if you delete your account, you might lose access to those services. Change your login methods beforehand to avoid any problems. Once you've prepared, it's time for the actual deletion. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Click on your Facebook information. Here you'll see an option called Deactivation and Deletion. Select Delete Account Permanently, then continue to Account Deletion. Facebook will ask if you want to deactivate instead, but just confirm that you want to delete. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password and confirm your choice. After this step, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Facebook usually gives you 30 days in case you change your mind. During this period, your account is deactivated but not gone yet. If you log in again, the deletion will be canceled. But if you stay logged out, after 30 days, your account and all data will be permanently deleted. So, what happens after deletion? Your profile, photos, posts, and everything linked to your account will be erased. Some data, like messages you sent to friends, may still exist in their inbox, but your own account will no longer be accessible. Facebook also says it might take up to 90 days to remove all traces of your data from its servers, though most of it becomes inaccessible within the first month. To recap, here are the key steps. Back up your data by downloading your information. Disconnect any apps or services tied to your Facebook account. Go to Settings greater than your Facebook information, greater than deactivation and deletion. Choose Delete Account Permanently and confirm your password. Stay logged out for 30 days to finalize the deletion. And that's it, your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. So, are you ready to say goodbye to Facebook? Let me know in the comments why you're considering this step. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and digital privacy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see ya in the next video.